guys, it's Mika, and for today I will be showing you guys my Shopee items that I would recommend to me and the grooms and the girls. The first Shopee item that I would recommend for the grooms is a mini portable fan. Because I know sobrang dami nilang pupunta sa mga concerts namin and performances, so kailangan nila diba na dapat fresh bread. Next, I will recommend is a power bank. Kasi mahilig diba sila mag-video and nakaka-drain ng battery yung camera, so need ng power bank. Next is a hand towel. Kasi diba pag nagpapawis, hindi may punas-punas, hindi na pwede t-shirt. For the girls naman, I chose makeup brushes kasi kailangan natin laging maging prepared. Kailangan natin makeup every day. Next is shades. Mahilig yung girls mag-shades. So, ano yung mga straight lang na shades. Very edgy. My last circle for them is makeup